In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll on Facebook Messenger. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up the Messenger application and then get into a group chat where you want to create a poll. Next, hit on that plus sign and then select this three dashes icon. Now here you can create a poll. First enter the poll question, and after that you can add here some options. Just hit there add option and enter the options. You can simply add the option by hitting on add option again. And once you have done, just hit there add create poll button to create a poll and share it to your group chat. Now you see how it works. You can vote, tap on vote button and select one of the options, and after that hit add submit. Also, at any time you can hit add change vote and revote if you want. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and